underpinning so many of the conversations that I've been having with professionals in the industry is the ESN, the Emergency Services Network. So it makes perfect sense that they're here at Bapco this year, here to tell me a little bit more about what's happening, about what developments are in the area at the moment. First of all, I'm going to speak with Usha and then have a chat with Gulzar in a moment. But Usha, tell me about ESN. Like I say, it's such an important topic of conversation at the moment. Tell us where we're at.
Yes, David, 2019 is the year that we're turning our vision into reality, and it's a really exciting time for the programme. A couple of months ago we launched the first phase of our work with our users, the emergency services representatives, who, after all, are our end customers. They are the people that we are here for. They are the people that need mission critical voice communications first time, every time. We think it's really important to be at places like Bapco because we want to showcase the work we are doing and the technical inroads that we're making on our journey to ESN. We are doing this incrementally, and we're rolling out a series of products, working with our users all the way along this journey, testing, validating, developing, working with a whole range of suppliers. ESN is a very complex thing to deliver, and we need everyone on side, everyone working with us, and this is a really, truly exciting time.
So you're talking about turning the vision, and goodness knows there's been a lot spoken about the vision for ESN, but into the reality, in 2019 being the year where that actually happens. So talk to me practically, tangibly about how that vision is becoming real, beginning to become real this year.
We are rolling out the first of our products in a couple of months' time with Usha. We are then, a couple of months later, we're rolling out another product. We have now got devices that we never had before. You will see at the show in-vehicle solutions, our handheld devices, our Samsung ESN device. We have RSMs, we have all sorts of different accessories being in development with our suppliers. And that's what it really is making ESN become a reality.
You talk about the devices there, you talk about the network, and we'll be chatting with some of the team from EE later on that. But it's also about maturity of the overall operation, isn't it? And that, Gulzar, is Gulzar's domain. So talk to me about where you fit into the ESN jigsaw puzzle.
So I am working with our own internal teams. When I mean internal teams, I'm talking about the people that have set the requirements from the user organizations, technical teams, and I am the one that will then turn that into a service operations model with our suppliers to ensure that the service that the emergency services will receive, they will understand what that looks like, things like the portal, so when they have an issue, being able to go onto the portal, having demos of that. So we're currently working with a number of senior user organization representatives to ensure that they start seeing these things very early. They start to understand what the user experience will be, what will be the outcome. When they want to find out where their incident is, where is that? If they want to request a new device, for example, how are they going to do that? So I'm working in the team where I will be handing over into a live operations team. So I'm part of that delivery team to ensure that we have the right operations in place for our user organizations.
It's very easy for people like me to get excited about networks and about devices, like Usha mentions, that are being showcased here at the show. But actually that operational piece is so very important, and the user experience too, making sure that it is that everything works together very nicely, and building up that help desk capability, I'm sure is a key part of that, isn't it?
It's a key part of it, and it's also, with the products being delivered incrementally, what that's now helped us is to build the service operations incrementally as well. Building that in a big bang approach wasn't the right thing to do. Building it incrementally, you can start to see where things didn't work out, how do we improve, how do we make that experience better for the user. So it definitely has some benefit, and I think that the products are now showing that. And against each product, we've now developed a support model that will fit that particular product, and so that the users understand what they'll be getting for that product as well.
This is a true collaboration. We cannot do this without our user organisations, and they are bedded into the programme. They are working hand in glove with us, with our suppliers, and through this collaboration, we're actually turning that vision into a reality, and we want to build on that until we've delivered ESN.
Brilliant. Well, listen, thank you so much indeed for bringing your story of where ESN is, whereabouts it's going, and bringing so many of your partners here to the show at Bapco this year. It's great to have you here on Bapco TV. Thank you very much, Usha.
Thank you.
And you as well, Gulzar.
Thank you very much.